Madi, you say yours giving you error.
Yes.
Okay, can you share your screen? Let me just stop sharing my screen so that I share your screen. Let's just see. So you can share your screen. Let's see what you're getting.
He probably removed the quotation marks. He probably removed the quotation
No,
marks.
let's just see. You don't need to remove the quotation mark.
Oh no, he didn't.
Okay, so where is the error coming from? Okay, everything looks all right.
In the name.
Okay, the name of the this thing, right?
Space.
Okay, there should
Yes.
be okay. Try creating a new project. Let's see. Just go to File, New, File, New. Just at the top, the name normal file that I just clicked. Yes, New, Project. Then just give it a name now.
So how do I reduce my font from here?
Okay, you can go to View.
Yeah.
Go to
I'm
View.
right there.
Then click on it. What does it show?
Two windows, appearance, quick definition. Oh, reset font size. Like I found it.
Do you want to increase or reduce it?
Reduce.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine now.
Okay.
My own program already run since.
Yeah, sure. It's not supposed to give us any error at all. That's why I say be careful with the name. Okay. If at all you're putting more than one word, separate with underscore or space.
It's working now.
It's working now, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, let me return to share my screen. All right, so we've moved to write our first program and you see how easy it can be. Is all right? So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the understanding the Java syntax.